back to Trading IQ, where we will learn the unlimited nature of the stock market. This is Shourabh Bhattacharjee, and in today's video, we are going to do a sector analysis, and I'm going to bring you a very important and unique niche where some things are happening that I wanted to share with you, and I have invested in one of the stocks. Now, in my last video, I have shared you can use Screener to do in-depth sector analysis, and if you haven't watched that video, I would recommend that please watch that video. I'll paste the link on the I button because I am going to be using that website to find more niche, more industries, and try to find out more uncommon companies where I can invest. As the market is sort of in stage 3 and it is going up and down like the seesaw movement in the market, you need to find an industry which is outperforming the market, that is in stage 2 continuation, and then from that industry, from that sector, you need to find a stock that is breaking out of stage 1 to stage 2. That is an ideal scenario, that is an ideal situation. Of course, you can buy a stock which is of course in stage 2 continuation setup. So I'm going to bring you one industry in today's video. I have analyzed it and I'm going to share my perspective on that industry and share with you why I have invested in that particular stock. This is the Screener website, and from here on I have added all of them in TradingView watch list. Now, this is the industry, diamonds and jewelry industry, and this is let me share with you the whole overall sector. Now you see this is the overall industry, and among which Titan company has the largest market share, which is about 2,35,000 crore, right? Among 49 companies that this industry have, the listed companies, right? There are other companies which are not listed, but within this industry, Titan company has the largest market share. So I'm going to analyze Titan and see where it is at, and then accordingly I'll look for other stocks within this industry. Now, based on my analysis, you see that Titan is in stage 3, or maybe I can say that it is in a better position than the overall market, because the moving average is not, it's bent upwards, it's bending upwards, right? It saw the downside movement because of the overall market, but when you compare it with Nifty 50, let me see where Nifty 50 is at today. So this is Nifty 50. Of course, it is also bending upwards, and it is in that channel, and it is trying to break out of this channel, and of course it is showing positive sign. Now I'm going to look at Titan again and share with you my perspective. Where it is, right? So based on my analysis, I think this is looking very good because the market share is pretty high, and there are other companies. If I start sharing with you, you would see that this is in deer stage 4. Now this is Kalyan Jewelers. It has recently came into the market, and you see this is exceedingly performing very well. Last few weeks it has seen about 9%, 13%, 6% movement. There are other companies that I have seen, like this company, PC Jewelers. You see, it has gone up from stage 1, and it's way above its base price, stage 1 level. So it has been performing exceedingly well, this overall industry. Now, among this industry, I have found this company, Vaibhav Global, which is currently breaking out from stage 1 to stage 2. You see, this is the stage 4. From here on, from this point to this point onwards, it has seen the up significantly downside movement, and from here on it is trying to break above its resistance level. So this was a support level, and it broke down of that support. It was support. It took support around this level, and it broke out of this level when it saw this movement upwards to up to 1,000 rupees per share from about 360. It broke out of that level. So this is sort of a stage 1 level, and you see it is breaking out of this level with significant volume. You see the volume pattern? This is the largest volume that it has seen since it came into the market. And since it is breaking out of this stage 1, and at the same time it is breaking out of this 30-week moving average, that means something is going on, right? The volume is significantly high, and this is an ideal time to invest in a stock when the stock is breaking out of stage 1 to stage 2. I have positions on the stock. I have bought some shares of this company last week, and I'm planning to buy some more, but it all depends on my risk appetite and my psychology of money, how I look at money. So I cannot advise you on how much to invest, what to invest, but this is an ideal scenario where the overall market, which is again Titan, has the largest market share, and it is performing very good. I could say that this industry is performing exceedingly well because there are other companies which are performing very good, and this is the company, Vaibhav Global. It is breaking out of stage 1 and moving into stage 2, breaking out of its 30-week moving average with significant volume. Again, that is very important, that it is breaking out of this stage 1 with significant volume, and this is where I will invest. I will focus on my plan, and I will be consistent on executing my plan. That's how I can be successful. If this does not work out, I will look for another stock from another industry from a similar pattern, and I'll look to invest in that as well. So I'll have to avoid my fear of losing money, fear of being wrong, and that's how I can be successful, by consistently executing the same plan over and over again. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Have a great day.